Hello guys, Ulefone has just launched its new Armor 15 model on Kickstarter. As advertised, this is the world's first rugged phone with built-in TWS earbuds. It's designed to make people who carry essential electronics or appliances to travel lighter and more convenient. If you are interested in this device, then definitely keep an eye on the official website of Ulefone and official social media. The official links are below this video, don't forget to click on them and get the chance to have an Armor 15 as a super early bid price. In the continuation of this video, let's take a look at the first Ulefone Armor 15 unboxing video and our beautiful presenter.
World's first Armor 15 was built-in TWS earbuds. Your heartbeat is quickened, right? Without further ado, let's look what's in the Armor 15 box. There's one screen protector, one lanyard, user manuals, warranty card, and XIM pick. Then comes the phone, and we need to take off the protective film first. Take out the charger and the USB to Type-C data cable. Let's review all items in the box. Now comes the exciting moment. The TWS earbuds. On top of Armor 15, you can find the case cover. Just open the cover and take out the earbuds. It is connected to the device. There is a pop-up for the first connection, while the notification bar displays information for the follow-up pairing. And you can see the specific touch control modes by tapping into the setting icon. Another highlight is the front-facing dual speakers. Just revel in the stereo auditory effects. Its display features 5.45 inches. Armor 15 has 3 card slots for 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. Long press the power key to turn on and activate according to the instructions. Besides, the constant key allows you to set on the settings in advance. For single click, double click, or long press to quickly access to PTT intercom, flashlight, screenshot, and other regular use apps. A Type-C port for charging and data transmission. The volume rocker can be pressed to turn the volume up and down. Worth noting that there is a camera key to capture splendid moments by one touch. Armor 15 is shock resistant of 1.5 meter and waterproof up to 1.5 meter. And pictures could be so beautiful with 12MP and 13MP dual main camera. Driven by Android 12 OS, it's more safer, more personal, more reliable, and better visual interaction. It has special 6GB of RAM and 128GB ROM for downloading apps, videos, images, music albums, etc. Anyway, Armor 15 supports HSF-free FM radio.